This video is regarding ICP-12 submission for web and mobile programming. Today we were given two tasks. One is to perform SQLite database and for update and delete employer name, and other is to submit do the logout functionality and delete the account functionality. First we're gonna work on SQLite database. Initially no application I've used the source code to work on this particular application. First coming to delete operation, we'll get the last name from the user, and we make establish a database connection from user of the SQLite, and using db.delete to and write the query, given the inputs of the employee table of the table name, column name, table name. This was our table name of the employee database. This was my column last name. This was the input that given by the user. Using this we perform the delete operation, and finally use the toast method to delete. This was a delete of our toast method. And coming to upgrade, we'll get same as delete, we'll get the last name and establish a connection between the database, and using connect values we take the inputs from the user, using binding of for example for the first name, job description and employee details, and use the cursor binder, and use put method to do this. And this is our log.id to get the integer never on column number, and we use try and cache to handle the errors. And this is our update operation. And coming to SQL Firebase, here we need to perform logout and logout and delete functionality. Coming to logout functionality, when the user click on this particular logout button, when the user clicks on particular logout button, using set on clicker, when the user click on logout button, this particular method is going to be executed and toast a user to pop this logout message, and using this particular is used for the listener to call when there is any change in the authentication state, and getting the instance of the present user, using get current user, and checking whether the information is present or not. If it was true, if the user is not present, then it is going to navigate to the login page using intent. And after that we're gonna finish the particular application, and using get instance to validate the user is present or not, and using authentication and getting signed off a char sequence used to check whether the user is present or not, whether any input text is present or not, using text utils. Same with delete operation. Initially we'll get the user details information and check whether the user is not. If true, then we're gonna delete this particular operation. This was the updated thing of the user. At present, a team viewer is not working, so I'm gonna show the screenshots of this particular information. This is a Firebase data operation where I've created a user where I've created the user information, and I had successfully signed in, and I got created a details, and I got a logged off successful logged off when I tried and I used the delete operation. And when I tried to again, after deleting the account, when I try to sign in, I'm getting this authentication fail error. This is my Firestone output. And coming with SQLite, this is my SQLite test one user. This was my test one employer details, and this is my initial data. You can see over here, this is my employee details. And coming to job description, it was test. And when I try to upgrade this particular thing with this is my dummy description, and when I click on upgrade button, then this is the dummy description upgrade button is going on. This was the recent message which was performed today at 8:32. This is my ICP-12 submission. Thank you.